Psalm 62, Common English Bible. For the music leader, according to Jeduthun, a Psalm of David. One, only in God do I find rest. My salvation comes from him. Two, only God is my rock and my salvation, my stronghold. I won't be shaken anymore. Three, how long will all of you attack others? How long will you tear them down? As if they were leaning walls. As if they were leaning walls or broken down fences. Four, the only desire of his people is to bring others down low. They delight in deception. With their mouths they bless, but inside they're cursing. Selah. Five, oh, I must find rest in God only, because my hope comes from him. Six, only God is my rock and my salvation, my stronghold. I will not be shaken. Seven, my deliverance and glory depend on God. God is my strong rock. My refuge is in God. Eight, all you people, trust in him at all times. Pour out your hearts before him. God is our refuge. Selah. Nine. Human beings are nothing but a breath. Human beings are nothing but lies. They don't even register on a scale. Taken all together, they're lighter than a breath. Don't trust in violence. Don't set false hopes in robbery. When wealth bears fruit, don't set your heart on it. God has spoken one thing. Make it two things that I myself have heard. That strength belongs to God. And faithful love comes from you, my Lord. And that you will repay everyone according to their deeds.